Synthetic Harmony Sound Effects by Digifx Series Z takes you to the far side with an imaginative collection of synthetic science fiction and fantasy effects. There are ambience tracks for science fiction, horror, and fantasy productions, as well as special effects that help to populate the landscape of that other world you've created, including pulses, lasers, sweeps, drones, creatures, distorted explosions, and scramblers. This collection will let you mix with aliens, battle the space wind, and trace the random static from a lost spaceship. These 890 stereo effects are available on 4 CDs, which can be purchased as a complete collection or as individual CDs. The complete collection can also be downloaded as 1644, 1648, or 2448 broadcast wave files. Synthetic Harmony Sound Effects by Digifx Series Z, only from Sound Ideas.